Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about what is CSS and CSS selector. And we are going to do like introduction to the CSS selector and how to write a CSS selector using ID attribute and how we can able to write our CSS selector using ID attribute. Okay, CSS nothing but it stands for cascading style sheet, and this style is language which describe that presentation of the HTML documentation. CSS selectors are used to target HTML element on a web page. See, basically, if you are in good in UI developer, and or else you can able to understand HTML tags and style sheets, then you can able to understand this CSS selector. And also we can able to get some interview question also. What are the which locator is faster than comparing to all locators? In interview they will ask you this question, most of the time, not completely, but this is a CSS selector is the faster to comparing to all remaining attributes, all remaining locators. You can able to select ID name, expert, CSS selector, and tag name, partial in text. Those all are things are there, and in that CSS selector is very fast. Okay, and this is a simple syntax. For that tag name we can able to use attribute and value. This is the one way we can able to create our CSS selector. We can able to create, and here we can able to see like simple example. We can able to go here, Gmail, and I'm going to take that login one, and here I'm going to use developers, and here is the ID, and my attribute is tag name is input, and I'm going to use id equal to. This is the one way we can able to find our path CSS selector using CSS selector. In that, here is tag name, attribute, and value, which is the value we can able to use. And how we can able to use id, selecting by id, how we can able to find CSS selector. It is basically a web element has an id attribute. You can use that id attribute details in CSS selector. Id attribute we can able to symbolize like hash sign. If you are using this symbol, this sign, then it is indication, it is like id, id value you are going to use for that particular finding CSS selector. How easy we can able to find now, we'll see. See, now here is I mentioned like input ID equal to and identifier, right? This is the lengthy. And again, I'm going to do like very short ID indication sign symbol. This way also we can able to find. See, now it is showing one selecting, right? And also, if you are not understanding the much here, no, we can able to use the Selenium IDE. While doing the Selenium IDE, you can able to record this one, and you can able to stop. Once you stop, you can able to see CSS selector in that. That way we can able to find our CSS selector easily. And if we are not able to find that CSS selector while doing Selenium idea also, you can able to understand like attribute is nothing but input, label, select, like that there are attributes. ID is indication of hash symbol, this hash symbol. After that we need to give that id name, which is the id value is presented, that id value we need to give. Then we can able to find our CSS selector path. This is the simple example. And if you like this video, please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.